Some good mayo, man. Oh, this mayo is crazy. What? I could just eat this fucking mayo all by itself. Forget the rest of it. Who cares? This mayonnaise is the shit. Is it clean enough? Some funny stuff. All right, so we got our mayo. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator. Why am I doing all of this? I'm doing all of this because the idea behind this was to make our own homemade, what's it called? Coleslaw. Yeah, that's right, coleslaw. So I bought a bunch of shit yesterday. I bought so much stuff, but today I'm making the coleslaw. And the coleslaw obviously requires some mayo. And I didn't want to use the mayo from the store, even though it's decent mayo, okay, whatever. Some people like it, some people not. But I wanted to create something of my own. I wanted to make my own mayo. And so I made mayo. We're going to upgrade our salt. So we're going to start with rosemary, Italian parsley, and thyme. It's like green gold. Finally, sea salt. The big grainy one. Close it. And we mix. Salt upgraded. Now we're gonna make some mayo. We're gonna smash some garlic. Oh! Bang! That almost worked. So the garlic is bloody nuclear and it just exploded. But you know what? It also kind of worked. Next time I'm just gonna put this shit in a plastic bag or something. That took me by surprise. Alright, I don't need all of this garlic. I don't need a couple of cloves. A couple of big ones. You know what? I'm changing my mind. We're gonna do more. So, 4 garlic. 4 cloves of garlic. Okay. Now. Ooh, this one's frozen. Haha. And we're gonna add some water to it. A couple of teaspoons. Boom. Put that in our processor. And we blend. This freaking frozen egg is annoying the bejesus out of me. And I'm just gonna crush it. Because clearly this blender won't. We blend it for about a minute. We're gonna throw some of our salt. Some dill. We're gonna close and then blend. And then we're gonna stream into it about 2 cups of avocado oil. It's kind of a pain in the ass to stream the oil in there because, for obvious reasons. You know what? Fuck this whole streaming thing. Pour some oil. Let it go. Pour some oil. Let it go. We taste. Interesting. Now I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. And we're gonna boil it. And the moment it boils, we're gonna pour it into our mayo. Ooh, it's boiling. Ooh, the smell of it. What is this? It jiggles, it jiggles. Look at it. Amazing. All right, guys, thank you for watching. More cooking, less fighting. Like the video if you liked it, of course, and cheers. I'm out.